I've been taking it easy all week. Now here we are on Friday with this damn monster overload. It ain't too bad though. Gonna throw some belly straps on that second layer. And I'm gonna see if my chains can go all the way across the top. 20-foot chain, so you know how that is. About 8 chains maybe. 4 on this one, 4 on the back. My T Products edge protector pole to run the belly straps. I could have used straps on this load, but I would have had to use 1,000 edge protectors. Now I am gonna put a strap right here on the front. Cause this piece right here, I got a strap touching it in the middle right there. But we're gonna put another strap right here on the front. What we looking like, drivers? Look like that ain't going nowhere. Hell nah, that motherfucker ain't going nowhere. I was gonna use my last easy binder on this chain right here. Hey, but it's been a while since I used the ratchet binder, man, so I need to practice. I need to touch up on my ratchet skills. Don't try this at home. Might hit yourself in the face. That ain't going nowhere. Before anybody says anything. I ain't got enough chain to hit 2 spools. The hardest part about getting that ratchet on there is getting it to spin without the damn hook spinning. So the best way to do it is stretch it as tight as you can get it before you start spinning it. I already got it tight. I already did the hard part. Now we just got to tighten it. You hear that? Hey, now look, real talk. Which one's quicker? The ratchet binder or the easy binder? I could have done 5 easy binders by the time I done this one ratchet binder. Now some people like to have their chain. Well, I don't know. A lot of people don't have these. Some people just have regular ratchets. But me, I prefer to have my handle up because when you start tightening it doesn't try to keep falling down. So that's why mine's is in the up position. I always do it like that. Some people have it the other way, but that's my preference. 1 spool. You see, I got 2 on this one. Hey, that ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere, man. I gotta say the magic words before we get up out of here, man. That ain't going nowhere, man. This load don't deliver till Monday, so got the rest of the weekend off. We don't want to leave this beauty. Back in the truck you go.